Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to use the Creati AI Photo Generator app. Alright, let's begin. First, install the Creati AI Photo Generator app from the Play Store or App Store. Once installed, open the app and complete the initial setup by selecting your preferred templates and skipping through the startup screens. After setup, you'll land on the main homepage. Here, you'll find various features like text to video, AI outfits, hairstyle changes, and more. Some tools are free while others require a subscription. To create an AI-generated image, tap Start from Photo. You can either take a new photo using your camera or choose one from your gallery. Select a picture and upload it. Once uploaded, you can modify it using different AI options. For example, you can change the outfit, hairstyle, or background. To change an outfit, scroll through the available styles, select one, like a suit, and tap Generate. Wait for the AI to process, and your new image will appear. When satisfied, tap Apply and then Save to download your final image. So that's basically how you can use the Creati AI Photo Generator app. That's it for this video. Thanks.